Okay guys, so for my Chinese fried rice, I am going to be adding some seasoning peppers. So I have 4 seasoning peppers that I've already cut up 3. This is my 4th one, and I'm also adding 1 bell pepper for my garden to my fried rice as well. So let me just get to cutting up the rest of the seasoning peppers. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to fry our egg. So I'm going to be using 2 eggs for my fried rice. So just adding some oil here. I've already scrambled the egg and I put a little bit of salt. All right, so let me just mix this oil around. I'm going to use this to fry our egg, and then we're going to use this to fry our vegetables. All right, so our egg is finished. We're going to remove it now from our fire. All right, now we're going to fry our veggies. I'll put a little more oil to this. Okay, so here I have some frozen peas and carrots. I have the bell pepper and the 4 seasoning peppers. Well, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt to this. All right, so I'm just going to leave this for just a few minutes just to soften my seasoning peppers, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in my rice. All right, I'm going to add in the rest of the egg now. And then we're going to add in our soy sauce. Now, at the end, you would add in some spring onions or chive. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of the groceries, so I had to use what little I had in my garden, and I really don't have much in the garden. Yeah, so let's add now our soy sauce. Now, I am using tamari as my soy sauce because it's a gluten-free soy sauce. And there's also another sauce I'm going to add to this as well, which is some sweet chili sauce. So let me get that. So I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce to my fried rice. So mix everything together and incorporate everything nicely. All right. Let me just taste this to see if for seasoning. And that way I'll know if I need to add more. Oh, wait a minute, something else we're gonna add. Okay, so now we're gonna add some sugar to this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar to it. Okay. I use jaggery powder, which is a raw cane sugar. Okay. So we've added that, so we're gonna mix that in. All right, and now I will taste the seasoning. See if I need to add any more tamari to this. So the rice alone. I think that's good. All right. I guess if you want to darken it, now if you have dark soy sauce, you can also add some of that, and that will darken your rice. I'll give you a little more color. Maybe I'll just add a little more tamari just to get a little more color to my rice. Of course, if I had a dark soy sauce, that would have given me that darker color, but I have to make some more because I did a video on that. If you check in the description, you will see that I did a video on how to make gluten-free dark soy sauce. Okay. All right. So now that this is finished, what we're going to do is turn off the fire, and now we're going to add some sesame oil. Okay. And now, to top it off, we want to add our spring onions. Of course, you would want to add more than what I added, but I unfortunately don't have any more, so I just have to work with what I have.